On this video, we're going to make a project for the simulation of the scope that we installed into the car. Okay, so we go to the main menu, okay, and then go to Tools, Flow Simulation, Project, Wizard. So we have to rename the project with scope. Okay, then next. So similarly, we have to replace the meter per second into kilometer per hour. Then next, we use external flow simulation. Then next, we're going to use air. So we add air and next, this will be default. Next, here, the direction of the wind is Z. So we are going to put negative 200. I want to run the test at 200 kph. So I put negative 200, right? And then done. First, we're going to do, we have to set up the computational domain. Just click computational domain and then adjust. Okay. So I'm going to adjust the bottom part, right? And then the side. All right, the other side. Let's see on the right side view. Okay, we can make it smaller a bit. Okay, the rear smaller a bit. Okay, so that the computation will be faster. All right. So once done, we are now going to set the boundary condition. Right click, then insert boundary condition. So we are going to use the ideal wall, right? And select on the face of the root. Okay, and then check. And then on the goals, we insert global goal. So we are going to use the velocity Z as well as the turbulent energy. Turbulent energy. All right, and then check. So the simulation project for the scope is done. It's simple as that.